What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmurds. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmurds.
Folks, you're looking at the box that the Uttora BBQ Grill came in, model number TL-372. It's a portable grill. It's very small. Bought this last year, a little bit after moving to Michigan. Cost about $20. Very cheap. Made in China, but it is German engineered. The Uttora Grill. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some of the best looking steaks on this grill that you have ever seen. I'm not going to call them the best because I made them already, and so have many of you probably. But I'm going to cheat a little bit, but I will definitely cook it on this grill. The steaks are, I think they're strip steaks. Gonna do 2 of them, one for the little lady, one for me. Gonna do the rub, little GPS on it. Everybody else calls it SPG. And it's gonna be awesome. So, okay, I used the grill grates from grillgrate.com. Probably the single best outdoor cooking piece of equipment I have ever purchased, because it will make every cooking event a perfect cooking event, even on the German engineered, Chinese made Uttora $20 portable grill. Getting hot. It is hot. Now, this grill grate is hard to put on there sometimes, but I managed to do it that time. So I got the grill grate in there, and that's not always easy to do because these little slots that the grill grate goes over, and it's all the way around. You got a bunch of them, several of them, and get this grill grate cleaned off. And really, it doesn't matter if this grill grate's clean, because I'm gonna bring in a new team member. And that's the grill grate from grillgrate.com. Okay, I'm gonna lay them down now. About like that. And about like that. Going to use a spatula from Grill Grate, and it's specific to these grates. Woo, dog. German engineered, made in China. The Uttora BBQ Grill with grillgrate.com grill grates. I'm loving it here on a Tuesday afternoon. Let's flip these over. see what they look like. Very nice. Looks like we got a little bit of a hot spot back here, which is okay because I'm going to rotate them when I turn them another time. That's how you rotate them on a small German engineered Chinese made grill. So the one on top is done. So I just set it up on top of the lower steak instead of letting it cook further. And the other one wasn't done, so that's all we're waiting on. All right, she done. Now normally I would let these steaks rest, but I just want to cut one open just to show you all. This one's little ladies. Looks pretty good. Let me cut the other one. This one's mine. Looking good. Look at that baby. Yes, I used some GPS, SPG to you all, and some Cosmos cow cover, which I really love. It's fabulous. I love it. So there you go. I did it. I made some great steaks on the Chinese made, German engineered crummy barbecue grill. Yeah, I know I cheated. I used the grill grates from grillgrate.com, and I wouldn't do it any other way. That grate that's on there looks like a rabbit fence. Thanks folks for watching. My glasses are falling off. And I'll catch you all next time.